Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change spark plug's Porsche Boxster, only ways. Start by removing the intake cover, then unclip the ignition coil connectors gently, keeping track of each coil. Use a spark plug socket and extension to remove old plugs straight out to avoid thread damage. Clean the well of debris and inspect plug condition. Apply a small amount of anti-seize to new plug threads, then hand start each plug. With coils removed, use a magnetic spark plug socket and extension to loosen each plug slowly, keeping the socket aligned to avoid cross-threading. Turn counterclockwise until the plug breaks free, then lift straight out and set aside. Check electrode gaps and plug condition against manufacturer specs and note any fouling patterns. Replace plugs in matching order and hand thread before torquing to spec to protect the aluminum head threads. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful tutorials. Quick recommendation: automobile life's too short for a stinky car. Grab little trees, black ice, and treat your cabin after working on the engine. It's a small comfort that makes wrenching more pleasant. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Apply a light film of anti-seize to new plug threads and confirm correct gap if necessary. Start each plug by hand, then use a torque wrench to tighten to the specified value, avoiding over-torquing. Reinstall ignition coils, pressing evenly until each connector clicks, then reconnect the battery. Start the engine and listen for smooth idle and even rev response, confirming no misfires. Finalize by reinstalling covers and double-checking all fasteners.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.